Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. Today we have a Mindful Souls unboxing. All I've done is remove the label and cut the paper. It says, oh, it's upside down. Mindful Souls. And it says, open up to the world of inner peace and well loved. So sorry, I don't have no makeup on or anything. Just got out of the shower. There you go. That's what it looks like. It says unlock your $15 coupon in 5 minutes. And it's just a coupon code. And there's the little booklet. I'm not going to open that yet. Let me put this down. Alright, there's the sticker. That's cute. Alright, this month's affirmation card is Affirmation for Ownership. I can pick and choose what I want to do. So there's that. So this is what we're into. So we'll open this first. It's a little box. Oh, okay. Wow, this is beautiful. Look at that. That is so pretty. Alright, so it is a clear quartz energy generator. Having an energy generator crystal in your space will help you to clear out negative energies, giving you peace of mind during your daily life. These generators raise the energy from the earth to the sky and can bring universal light and knowledge into your space. Also says it's a great tool for meditation, healing, and general support. It can also be used to charge other crystals. Clear quartz is a master healer. A master healer crystal, and it amplifies the energy of crystals it's placed near. Place energy generators in your home or workspace to protect, activate, and transmute energy. Sorry about my voice is still messed up and I sound nasally, but it is what it is. Still getting over that cold. Alright, next thing in the box looks like cedar to me. Okay, blue sage lavender smudge stick. Look how beautiful that is. It smells really good. Blue sage has a mild floral aroma, so if you're someone who finds strong smells overpowering, this might be your new favorite smudge stick. It's also known to attract prosperity and wealth, so it's an excellent addition to any abundance ritual. Lavender carries the energy of happiness and tranquility, making this stick perfect for when you're feeling stressed. Very nice. I can actually smell today, so that's good. Alright. So first little baggie, it's a small one. And there's 4 baggies. So 6 items this month. This looks like a necklace. I love moons. There we go. It's a yellow apatite waning crescent necklace. Now you can see it's kind of a yellowish stone. The waning crescent move symbolizes the end of the old cycle, the start of an approaching new one. Detach yourself from the world and rest. It's time to think things over and contemplate the things you should let go. Very pretty. I've been hanging these up, these little necklaces. I don't know if I'll be able to wear this. I'll have to see if this is copper. My body doesn't treat copper very well. Alright, next little baggie. It has some of that sage stick stuck on it. And I look horrible today. Oh well, just getting over being sick. Ooh, tiger's eye. Look how pretty. When fear enters our decision-making process, our choices get skewed, and it is tiger eye sphere. To see the path ahead clearly, improve your foresight with a tiger eye sphere. Beautiful. My rune stones are tiger eye. It's a nice. I like that stone. I mesh with it good. Alright, another baggie. You interested, Gypsy? Come on. Come see. You want to come see? Oh, rose quartz bracelet. I'm trying to see the little bead. Very pretty. Alright, so thinking of self-care as a necessity rather than a luxury that you don't have time for will set you up for a happier and healthier life. Self-care is all about making time to nurture yourself and loving yourself unconditionally. Bless yourself with compassion by connecting to the rose quartz energy of this bracelet. Rose quartz brings the focus on how strong and powerful you are regardless of what's happening with your body. It begs you to love yourself at every stage. Alright, last but not least. And I love this box so far, but I'm not sure if I'm keeping it very long. I want to try a couple other boxes. I just can't afford to keep them all. This has some weight to it. Oh, this is beautiful. This is moss agate. How pretty. Alright, so moss agate carries strong connection with nature, mending its healing and nurturing energy to you. It teaches us to appreciate and enjoy each moment we have with Earth, helping us to set an intention for healing the planet. Associated with the heart chakra, moss agate also helps facilitate the release of old habits and fears to inspire growth. So, all in all, I'm digging this box this month. This is beautiful. So we got the moss agate, the sticker, the tiger eye sphere, the smudge stick. It's pretty. Man, the wind is blowing out there. The Energizer, the quartz Energizer. That's beautiful. The necklace that I can't find. The moon necklace. And I think that's it, right? Yes. And the moss agate, I said that, right? Yep, the affirmation of ownership. And that's it. And then this is what, you get a little booklet like this, and then that's what I'm reading off of. It shows you all the things that you get and a little explanation for everything. So that's my box for this month. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. And in a little bit, if you come back to my channel, my collab is today with Alex from Makeup Addict 1992, Shar's Fashion Nation. We have a little collab going, and this week's subject is Mardi Gras makeup look. So if you're into that kind of stuff, come on back and watch the video today at 1 o'clock. Until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.